What's up Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to change the coil packs and the spark plugs on the TurboX, and it's a very common problem on the V6ers that first of all, it's widely known that it's a little bit of a hassle to change them. I have never done it myself, but it's quite a lot of videos on the internet all over the place, people showing how to do it, and there are everything from 10-minute videos up to 30 minutes, like loosen every screw, every bolt, every nut, everything to think about. This will be a little bit more general. I have never done it myself, but it should be quite easy. Just the three rear ones that will be a little bit of a hassle, but I will show some tips either way. So we will upgrade to brand new Bosch coil packs and brand new NGK spark plugs, which is the one that you are supposed to use. But either way, I'm hoping everyone has had a great Christmas holidays and everyone is feeling well. So let's just jump into this video. So I got a little package here from Maptune Parts. So 6 brand new Bosch coil packs. And here is one unboxed. I don't know if you can see, but on the side here you can see when it's manufactured. So this is in the middle of this year, so 2nd of June 2022. And this is the number you want to look for. So the fresher they are, the better, of course. And there are 2 sets of spark plugs used for the V6 by Saab. So this is the one you should be going for. This is the one that sits in the NG95 Turbo 6 and the 93 Turbo X, and this is basically the spark plug that is used for 2008 up to 2011. So this is the one to go for, but we will decrease the gap of these spark plugs. I don't know if they are like 0.9 millimeter or something like that out of the box, but we will gap them to 0.8. So the coil pack and the spark plug has much easier to ignite. So we will check this gap right here and then just punch them down gently, not to damage the electrode, because we need that to be intact. And it's quite windy outside right now, so I think I will just apply some light music and change all of these. But I will show you the coil packs that sits in this car as well. But let's just get to it and start gapping all these so these are prepared, and then we will go out and install them in the car together with the coil packs. So I've got these blade measurements to check the gapping. Now all of this sits together, but mine had fallen apart. But here I have one that says, if it could just focus, 0.9 millimeters, and that's what this one is. Maybe a little bit more. So this is the 0.8. So we will just punch this down very gently so that this 0.8 will fit. Just as soon as you get like a little more resistance to put in the blade measurement, That's right about it. So I think this will do the trick and help the sparks to just ignite more easily. Because these coil packs are widely known to not withstand the power or be able to spark it good enough. So I think this will do the trick, so we get more power and return those horses home. So to start with, the TurboX ran the older spark plugs. You can see there are a difference in this design where the electrode ignites. So this is the one that you should run, which is preferred. And you can see on the front 3 coil packs they had different article numbers. So this is the older one. You can see on the manufacturing date, these are manufactured 2006, so these are older than the car. So someone previously has really cheaped out by getting used, probably working but not so good coil plugs. One was the correct one with the right number, but it was manufactured in 2012, so 10 years ago. So this is the new ones, as I showed before, that we are installing, and these are like brand new ones. So now we're going to jump on and install the rear ones, which is the little more tricky ones, but should still be manageable. So I will not go into complete detail, but we need to remove the ECU. So you have a lot of 10mm bolts everywhere that holds the ECU. You get a 7mm that holds the ground point, one on each side. Then you need to undo this loom right here, lift that to the side, and there is a couple of hoses down below that you need to detach as well. And then we should be able to get to the lower part. So I will just film this while I'm doing it, not show everything into detail, because it's really cold and windy outside today, even though the weather looks okay. It's actually not too bad at all. Just remove the ECU, then you have a couple of plastic hoses that sits right down here. These two that sits with this metal bracket right here, very easy to remove, just a 10mm bolt. And with a little bit of fiddling I think I will be able to reach all of the coil packs and spark plugs right now. So this looks like they haven't been touched in a while either, so I will go ahead and change those. Should see if the car starts also. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and to be honest, this wasn't too hard. It was quite like therapeutical, or what do you call it? Just if you take your time and be careful with all the plastic hoses that could be quite brittle and fall apart. It wasn't too bad actually, so now everything is done and it feels so good, and this is truly a car that deserves it. I will link to all the products down below, and I have also added a Patreon link in the description box. So if you like the content and you would like to make a small donation, I would be really happy, and it will definitely help out the channel to grow and me to be able to put out more epic content. But otherwise, please leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe to the channel, it means a lot to me. And I have some more exciting stuff coming, so please be on the lookout. Bye!